This is a little guide to how to use the Moodle site. When you're logged in, you'll see this picture, and you'll see the title of the class up here. You will see this string of white labels across that shows you where you are right now. This means right now you're on the home page for this class. If you'll go back to My Courses, you'll see a list of other courses that you may be enrolled in. Go to the home page. Okay, here again you'll see the list. You'll see directions about how to log in. I'm going to go back to this class, and okay, you'll see information here about where to contact me. Okay, you've got up here these open and close. So when you click the plus, it opens up. Okay, for example, you can see participants here. You can see the other people in the class. Oh, look, someone else already put her picture in. Thank you, Yingyi, for doing that. And when you click this one open, you get other things you can do, especially here's your profile settings that I'd like you to do. You have another video that shows you how to edit your profile. Okay, I'm going to close these up for now. And then under here, you have a lot of links to things that we're going to be using all semester. This is announcements. If I have to cancel a class or change an assignment or something important like that, I'm going to put it in here. So you want to, each time you log on, just quickly check that and make sure that there's not something important to look at there. Okay, now you see this is the file I'm in, and now I'm going to go back to the main page for the course by clicking here. Then I have a lot of other links where you see this little picture of the world here. That means you're going to an outside website. You're not on Moodle anymore. So I click here, for example, and here's a link to another website that's not Moodle, where I keep a lot of materials for this class. I can close it up here. You have a link to ngrade, where I have records of your grades. We'll talk about that later. Some other things that I think are interesting. There's an online dictionary to use if you need one. Okay. Links to the library, different things like that. Free online typing course if you still need to learn to type. Here's a website where you can do it. So where you see this icon here, that means you're going off this website onto another website. Where you see this one, you're going to another page on this website. For example, I gave you this with videos about how I want you to format your papers. And these are videos you can play to see how to do it. This is one I made. This is one from YouTube that I thought was also useful. So I'm going back to the main page. Take some time and just explore all of these links under the top picture and the welcome message, so you understand what all is there. Those are all resources to refer to. This is about the flipped class, which we're going to talk about the first time we meet. Okay, then for each week there's a block. This is the first week of class. Oh dear, I'm going to have to fix this. Let me stop and do that so you don't get confused. Hold on a minute. Okay, now I've got it switched back so that it shows the right dates. So for every week, you have a block here. And you'll have a link to the homework for a certain date. So this is the link that shows you what I would like you to do for homework for Wednesday, August 20th. It's actually kind of a good deal, but quite a lot, but we'll see how that goes, okay? And then under this link for the homework, this is a list of all the links that are connected to this one. Okay, so all of these links are in this main link about your homework. So when I go back here, okay, here is a link to the sound files for learning about language. Okay, these are recordings of me reading some of the readings that you're assigned. And you click there to do that. Listen to that. Language families. Okay. You can click to stop it. Okay, and then I'm going to go back out to the main page. Go back into my homework. Okay, you've also got, for example, here's a link to that Longman dictionary. Okay. If it's an external link, you can just close it up here and go back to where you were. Okay, and then we have forums and quizzes here, and we're going to talk about those in another file.